Hello, my name's Linda and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today I'm going to show you how to make some really quick birthday cards, and we're using the new Myths and Magic DSP, which comes out on the 3rd of January in the new Spring Summer catalogue. And oh, let's just get on and I'll show you, because these are very simple to make. I'm going to start with the easiest one. And this is this beautiful unicorn DSP. It's so lovely, and it's got a like a glittery, all the unicorns that have got glitter on them. I don't know if you can see that. And what I've done is I've got some powder pink A4 cardstock, which I've cut in half and scored in half again, and then the DSP is just going to go on the front like this, and we're going to die cut a number. I've chosen 8, but obviously you can use whichever number you want, and this is the large number framelits, and I've already cut it out. And you must keep these small middle bits, don't throw those away. And we're going to start with, we're just going to stick this down. This is very, as I said, it's a really easy card to do. Now I'm just sort of trying to show you, if you get the DSP, how easy you can make a card, how quickly and easily you can make cards with it. Okay, so just stick that down. And what I've done, I've also, off of camera, I've cut these dies as well. So using the gold shimmer paper and just the powder pink, just going to put one on top of the other, just to build it up a little bit. Oh, might put too much on there. And this will just give it like a 3D effect. I'm just going to stick it on. There we go. Just put a block on there just to hold it down for a sec. Now I've glue all over my fingers. Right, and then we use the small pieces of cardstock to just fill those holes, and that's why you don't throw them away, and obviously they fit perfectly. There you go. I mean, how simple is that? Really simple card, and you know, really pretty as well. Okay, next card, move these out of the way. Now the next card we're going to do is the Mermaid card. So this one's slightly trickier, but nothing to be scared of. And so this is some of the other DSP Mermaid. So far, Mermaid, unicorns, and obviously it's double-sided, it's got like a fish scale. I'm using Bermuda Bay for this because it has Bermuda Bay on the DSP, but obviously you could choose whatever colour for a background. And to start with, we're just going to stick the DSP to the card. Again, this is what makes it so simple. And as we have the new catalogue coming out on the 3rd of January, the Spring Summer Occasions catalogue, and these items are from it, so I'm going to be showing you examples of cards that we can make using new items. Okay, I'm going to do a tiny bit of stamping. So I have used the Magical Mermaid stamp set, which is from the annual catalogue, and I've used the Mermaid Kisses and Starfish Wishes. And the last time I used Bermuda Bay, but this time I'm going to go for Berry Burst. You see these little cute diddy ink spots, they call them, and these are going to be in that catalogue. You can buy 4 of these, 4 in a pack. Make sure I've got it the right way up. I'm just going to stamp it to the... oh, I've got it upside down. I wanted to stamp it up in that corner, but I still think that's going to be okay. And so then we're going to just chop a tiny bit off here. Let me just get my trimmer. There we go. So that's going to sort of sit at the side of the card. And I've done slightly different colours to the last one. The other one I did a Bermuda Bay sentiment, but with this one, because my mermaid is not pink, I thought, oh, I need a bit of pink on there. And again, I've used the DSP. I've just fussy cut my mermaid out of a piece of the DSP. Okay, so and I've cut these lovely, this is new as well. This is Bermuda Bay glimmer paper, and it comes in a pack, and I'm not sure how many of them in a pack, but it's 6x6, and it's lemon lime twist, Bermuda Bay, and I can't remember the other colour. It's like I can't remember. I think it's white, but I'm not sure. And so we're going to stick these down, and we're going to put dimensionals on the back of here. So stick some dimensionals on the back of our sentiment. Sorry, I've had a terrible cold this week, and my voice keeps going. There we go. And so we're going to stick this down first. Pull these pieces off. There we go. I'm just going to pop it there, and then I'm going to tuck these in. I'm just going to cut the stalks off. We don't really need those. Tuck them under the circle, put some little dabs of glue just on the leaves, and again in my original I used the lemon lime twist, which looked great in that card, but I thought there was too I thought I needed something a bit different for this one, something a bit more glittery, just because the mermaid didn't have that lovely pink tail. And tuck that one under there. Perfect. That's moving. Okay, as I said, I fussy cut this out, and again I'm going to put dimensionals on the back. Going to sort of sit like this, and then I've got some of this lovely paper. This is new again in the catalogue, and it's the picture perfect paper, and it's like a crepe ribbon. It's really cute, and you can twist it, or you can make sort of little rose sort of flowers. I can't find my words today. So I'm just going to, I'm only going to use a tiny bit of this, and I have none, this is all I have left. I don't have any of this left. So I'm just going to tuck it under, and then snip off what I don't need. And so as a demonstrator, you get the chance to pre-order, so we get to pre-order items before the catalogue comes out, so we can practice and come up with lots of ideas, so we can show our customers. And so I was very lucky in November. I was a display stamper at the on-stage event, and so that meant that I got lots of free goodies beforehand to make a display with, so I could show people what you could do. And one of the items I got was this ribbon, and that's why I have none left. That's all I have left because I used loads of it. Okay, so I'm just going to pop the mermaid, and there we go. Really quick card to make. It looks really special, and what I would do is put some Whisper White in there so you can write on it. Okay, so I've left the, not tricky, but the messiest card till last. Let's clear the decks a bit. Okay, so we're going to do this one. Hope Your Day is Magical, and this is Dapper Denim, which is one of the in colours. It's one of my favourite blues, and this is from the same DSP, the Myths and Magic. Yeah, great, like all wizards on the back side, trees, and again we're just going to stick that to the front of the card. You can almost put nothing on this, it's such cute paper. Okay. And the sentiment comes from, sorry, just lean over, another new stamp set, Magical Day. Oh, that's such a cool stamp. This is my favourite set out of the whole catalogue. Hope Your Day is Magical. And it's from the same suite, so the paper and the stamp set are in the same suite, which you'll see if you get a catalogue. So what I've done, I've got a piece of Dapper Denim cardstock, and I've cut it at 1.5 by 10, 1.5 inches by 10.5 centimetres, and I think that's quite bad, isn't it? Not very consistent at all. And instead of doing it this way, I've done it this way. I've done Hope Your Day is Magical, and I've heat embossed it in gold, and it's going to go on there. But as you can see, we've got some sparkles here, and this is another new item. And so these are gold glitter flakes. Oh, look at these. Aren't they lovely? Very messy though. So let's get a piece of cardstock. So this is just a piece of scrap paper I'm going to work on. And I'm going to use dimensionals on the back of this again. Look, see, they're everywhere, and I've not even used them today. If you're a person that doesn't like glitter going everywhere, you won't like these, because they are quite messy. But such fun, such fun. Okay, so I'm just going to use a bit of glue and just do some dots just at the ends, and then I'm going to sprinkle, look at these, I'm going to sprinkle them on to my glue and then tap them off, and then again on the other side. Look at that. Now I did warn you that it was going to be messy. There we go. And they are messy, but you know, you can't help it, you've got to have glitter. And the best way to pick these up is to get a wet wipe, and then just, they all pick up on a wet wipe nicely. Okay, so normally I would wait for these to dry, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to go ahead and get this on. I'm going to plonk that down in the middle, and then pop some glue in the back. And then you can place this over here. quite tricky to push down as that's still a bit wet. But there you go, you get the general idea. And there we go. Easy, easy peasy to make. All slightly different. Well, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to be trying to make as many videos as possible for the beginning of January, so please look again to see what will be coming next. I hope you liked this video. Sorry it's a bit disjointed, still suffering from my cold. Any items that you'd like, please go to my blog and you can buy anything on my shop. And thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Bye.